we can download Pokemon Infinite Fusion in PC, so let's get started. Now to download it, first of all you have to open up Discord in your device and make sure to log in. Once you're logged in, now what you have to do is you have to join a server that is Pokemon Infinite Fusion to download this in your PC. So for that you can click on the link provided in the description below. There is a link for your easy. So you can simply click on that. After you click on it, you will get to this interface where you will have this pop-up box and there is an option to accept the invite. So click on it. Then it will open the Discord. Now you have to choose or answer all the questions. It says, what do you want notification for? If you want to skip it, simply click on skip. And in the second page, it says, what topics are you interested in? You can simply go and click on, I want to talk about the Infinite Fusion game, and then click on next. And here, what pronoun roles do you want, if any? So choose according to your preferences and then tap on or click on next. Now you have to choose the language, or you can simply click on skip. Scroll down a bit and then click on finished. After you do that, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side and click on downloads. Here, scroll up a bit and there you will have a zip file to download the Infinite Fusion. Click on it. And then click on continue to download. Now the zip file is being downloaded. Once it is downloaded, you can simply locate the file and extract. Now the zip file is downloaded, you can click on it and then extract all. After you do that, you will have a file for Infinite Fusion game. Open it up and set up or install it in your device, and in that way you can download and install the Infinite Fusion game in your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.